What's up guys? Today's video is about the difference between map and for each methods of ES6. Now before ES6 of JavaScript we used to loop through the elements like this. This was quite a hectic task, and now just for the simplicity I've already written the code. If okay, so this was just a for loop. I hope you all are familiar with that. And this is for each method of ES6. What this does is actually loops through all the elements of this array, takes this array, and for each element do this. And this is the function that takes a parameter. This parameter can be anything. It can be x, it can be y, it can be any value, right? So just pass in here. Okay, so this was a method of looping through the elements in ES6. But what if I copy this and I paste it in here and I change this to map? Same results, right? So how are these methods different? So first of all, let me tell you that for each is a looping method. For each actually loops through the elements in the array, while map copies the array, copies this array, and gives us another array, right? And that new array can also be modified. For example, if I want to create a new array from this one, from this array I want to create a new array. For example, I say const oops const new array equals, right? So what I want to return in this new array is return value, whatever this was, plus something else, lol. Okay, so what if I want to now console this array? Let me just first do the same for the map. Let's just copy this one and paste it here, and this can be new array 2. Terrible naming here, but we can do anything we want because we are developers. Okay, so what if I console.log this one, this is new array, this says undefined, while if I do the same for new array 2, oh sorry, this one is going to be map. Okay, so if if I try to do the same for the new array 2, which is using a map function, this is actually returning something. This is actually returning an array, and this array you can see is now modified. So this was a difference between the map and for each function. Now to summarize all this, previously we were using the loops from JavaScript, but now we have ES6 and we have two methods that are confusing for a lot of people, for each and map. Now what for each does is this only loops through the element, and if we even try to modify our array with this method, this returns undefined. This was the first console.log. But if we do the same through map actually copies the array, and then it returns the array to another. It actually copies the array into another array, and we can also modify the array, right? So the examples are weird, but there are a lot of uses for all of these.